Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in KZ Kitchen. I am very happy to have you in my channel. Today I am going to make another delicious bread recipe, which is garlic bread recipe. As usual, first of all, we will make or prepare our dough so it could ferment. For this, I have some ingredients. Let's see what are and how much. These are: I have 1 egg, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and 3 cups all-purpose flour or bread flour, and also I am gonna use Tetra Pak milk, Nestle milk pack. I will heat it little bit, just for 5 to 6 seconds. Beat your egg. Now I will separate 2 or 3 tablespoons from this for further use. I will add in my garlic butter filling and also for brushing on our bread. Here I have Blue Band margarine. So I am using 2 or 3 tablespoons here. Let's mix these. Your butter should be soft or on room temperature. I added sugar and salt also. Now I am going to use my instant yeast, 2 tablespoons. Here we have our lukewarm milk. Let's add in our mixture. It's 1 cup or 1 Tetra Pak you can use. Else we will also definitely use the water for kneading our dough. I have mixed my all ingredients and now I have added in my all-purpose flour. Now I'm kneading it with my hands. You can use any spatula or a spoon if you don't want to use your hands, but I'll prefer so that you should use your hand. Okay, we have to use our hand, and also we have to use water gradually. You can see that is not warm water. Use as much as you required and make a smooth and soft dough. Now we will further use some butter for greasing our dough so it couldn't stick on pan or on our hands. Now it's gonna ready. Knead it well. That is a must and special step of making a beautiful and nice breads. Now I'm using 2 or 3 tablespoons for the butter. It's melted. Knead it well. Now we will wrap it with cling and give it some time for getting ferment. About 45 minutes we will give it first, and then we will degas our dough and again we will give it some time. Now mashallah, our dough is very nicely prepared. Let's cling. You can use any lid or any napkin for getting it covered, but it should be completely covered, or you can keep it in any warm place. In the meanwhile, let's make our garlic butter. Here I have softened butter, 4 to 5 tablespoon. It's salted butter. That's why I'm using very little amount of salt, 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon sugar, 1 or half teaspoon black pepper, frozen spring onion. I have 2 tablespoon chopped garlic. You can use fresh spring onion and 1 tablespoon egg, beaten egg. Let's add our all ingredients in the softened butter and also beaten egg and make a mixture or our garlic butter. Now it's ready. Keep it inside. Now come to our dough. It mixed. Here our dough is getting ferment. You can see, mashallah. Now it's ready. Let's degas our dough. It's not sticky. Mashallah, it's perfectly done. Okay, let's make some parts or divide our dough into suitable parts. How much we need. Okay, kindly follow the steps properly like this. Okay, we make all of these with same method. Just you have to pick its sides and keep in or pinch in center. Okay, viewers, our peras are ready. Let's prepare our mold or pie dish. I'm greasing it with some oil. You can use butter also. I'm getting help of a brush. You can use your hands or also cotton or any cloth. I have placed a parchment paper. Now I'm getting spread the dough in my mold. That shouldn't be more or too much thin. Okay, let's get it cut. You can use any spatula or any ice scraper, and also you can use any knife. We have to cut in squares like this. These cuts should be sharp. Okay, let's fill our garlic butter inside the cuts. I am using a spoon. You can also use it. And don't use your hands. Like this, spread evenly and fill in the curds like this. After that, we will fill cheese. Here I have two types of cheese. Here mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. So their slices I am filling in the curds. Viewers, If you haven't like, share and subscribe to my channel, so please go and hit the bell icon and press the subscribe button, and also like my video and share with your family members and loved ones. Now it's ready. Let's brush some egg yolk on the top of our bread. Now it's ready for baking. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. It's looking very nice and fragrance is too much fascinating and delicious. You can check the surface. It's perfectly done, mashallah. Okay, you can check the inside how much cheesy it is. Cheese is everywhere in our garlic bread, and it is mashallah too much soft also. There you go. Here are another baked garlic bread. Mashallah. Let's see inside. You can check the result. It's best idea for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. You can make anytime. It's so easy to make and very delicious to eat. I hope you are gonna make this recipe at your home. Here I have another garlic bread. Inshallah Ta'ala, I will definitely share the recipe of this one also. You can check the softness of this bread also. I baked it in bread mold. Let's cut it. Okay, viewers, see you soon with another delicious and perfect recipe, inshallah ta'ala. Till then, Allah Hafiz.